This is Michael from SoftwareOasis.com. We're doing a 30-day challenge covering 90 top software solutions for growing and managing your business online. In each 180-second video, you'll get 6 quick actionable tips. Let's get started with M for MarketMuse. I've used the solution for over a year, and I can tell you it will quickly become your secret content superpower. Create a predictably better content with MarketMuse. You can't guess your content strategy. Most content strategies are built on generic data and opinions. With MarketMuse, the AI analyzes your entire website to give you personalized, objective insights to plan better. Tip number 1, leverage MarketMuse for content optimization. MarketMuse can help you optimize your content by providing insights on topic depth, related keywords, and competitor analysis. Use insights to improve content and increase chances of ranking higher in result pages. Tip 2, develop a data-driven content strategy. MarketMuse can help you create a data-driven strategy by analyzing your competitors' content and identifying gaps that your content can fill. Tip 3, create topic clusters for better content organization. These are groups of related content that cover a specific subject in greater detail than any other content on the internet. Clusters improve your site's SEO. Tip 4, generate comprehensive content briefs. You create detailed briefs that provide writers with all the information they need to produce quality content. This includes keywords, related subjects, and competitor analysis. Tip 5, conduct competitive content analysis. MarketMuse can help you analyze competitors' content to identify their strengths and weaknesses. Use this information to create better content that outperforms competitors. Tip 6, optimize content for user questions. MarketMuse can help you identify important user questions. This will make content more valuable to your audience and improve ranking results. Tip 7, monitor and update content regularly. MarketMuse can help you identify at-risk content that needs optimization. Regularly update to ensure that it remains relevant. Get a free trial of MarketMuse by clicking the link below this video or going to softwareoasis.com/MarketMuse. Like and subscribe to see if we make our challenge. If you found our tips helpful, please help us out by sharing our channel.